Hi, I'm Phil Clegg, Manufacturing Engineering Manager here at Texecom. Today I want to introduce you to an advancement in our soldering process. We've recently introduced selective wave soldering, especially for products like SmartCom communicators. This manufacturing process, coupled with our investment in a full nitrogen tunnel wave solder machine, ensures a high level of consistency that traditional hand soldering just can't achieve. With hand soldering, there's always an element of variability with the finished solder joint, which could potentially affect the reliability of the final product. With automated machine soldering, we eliminate that variability. The result is consistent, high quality solder joints, which means enhanced durability and performance of our products. At Texecom, we're dedicated to delivering reliable, high quality products, and our selective wave soldering process is just one more way that we achieve that.